and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with an upper body workout, but you're going to need to grab some dumbbells. You need a pair of weights. Get ready to go. 5 minutes, 5 moves. See you on the mat. Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So today we have your upper body sculpt. Make sure you've got your dumbbells ready. We are going to push ourselves today. I've got my 5 kilos. Of course you can have lighter, but if you've got 5, you know who you are, grab them. We're going to start with an Arnold press. So, dumbbells facing toward you, okay? What you do is you are going to shoulder press with a rotation and then return back in. And yes, you heard that right. Arnold Schwarzenegger, Arnold press. Let's sculpt those shoulders and let's push for 45 seconds overhead. Are you keeping your core tight? We're not taking any momentum into the legs because we're kneeling, and that's why it is strict and it is hard. Keep going. Push through, guys, you're doing fantastic. Are you feeling like Arnie? Have you got the pump? Are you working hard? Are you feeling the burn? 3, 2, and 1. Woo! That pump was real. Now, next up, you're just going to need 1 dumbbell because we're going to do a single arm movement. You're going to push and drop your hips and bottom back. Release that dumbbell straight underneath you. What we're going to do is a double row. So we're going to row in, neutral grip. And then you're going to take your palm facing forward and row in, underhand grip. Back to neutral. And that's that underhand. You're alternating between those two for the entirety of that work time. And if you note, my back is lovely and flat. My dumbbell is coming up towards my hip line. It's tracking to the bottom of my rib cage. So keep going and pushing nice and strong to the end of that 45 seconds of work. You should be feeling this in your back muscles and maybe your shoulders after that first move. Last 5 seconds of work on this arm. 3, 2, 1, release. Ooh. Shake that arm out and let's go on the other side. Are you ready? Pull back into position, dumbbell straight underneath you, and we go for that neutral grip row, into that underhand. Again, is that dumbbell pulling up to that hip line? Are you squeezing it in and tracking to the bottom of the rib cage? Have you got a lovely flat back? Is your bottom pushed back to make you into a hinge position? Check in. Push yourselves for time. 3 movements, and it is a killer combo, especially with that heavier weight. Keep going. It is always a goal of mine to be sculpted like Arnie in my upper body. Joking, maybe female Arnie. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Well done. Now, move number 4. You're going to come back down to the floor. You're going to kneel yourself down again. And now we're going for an alternating shoulder press. So I hope you're ready. You're going to take those dumbbells up on the shoulders. And we are going to press. 1, tap down. 2, tap down. Note that dumbbell, when it stretches overhead, is straight over top of my head, okay? It's nice and close, my arm to my ear, so that I'm locking my shoulder in and I'm driving up with strength. I'm telling that dumbbell where to go. I'm in charge of it. It's not in charge of me. So check in with yourself. Is your core tight? Are you pushing yourself? Are you in charge of that dumbbell? Hell yeah, I am. I'm a superwoman. Keep pushing. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, last one, and release. We've done 4 moves. Move number 5, you're going to come back up. We're going to touch those dumbbells together like this, and we're going to do an inward curl. Take them out and away from one another, and curl out. Move number 5, to finish off those arms with these 5s. You gotta be a superwoman for sure. Keep pushing. Oh, feel the pump. Push through. Stay strong. We got this. And then you've done 5 minutes of arms, heavy arms. If you want to do it twice through for 10 minutes, heavy arms, to get even closer to that Arnold dream, then do it. 3, 2, 1. Let those arms relax. And give this video a like, massive thumbs up to all of you guys for doing that with me, because that wasn't easy. So challenge accepted, well done, and we will see you back on the channel for more workouts soon.